kick, stand, hinge, row combo. We're gonna do 10 on each leg. So, kickstand, standing on my right leg, my left leg is just pitched right by my heel, my big toe, by my heel. There's about 8% pressure on that back foot and 92 on this right foot, okay? So we're gonna hinge your butt back, hands go down to the knee. Exhale. You're gonna pull your hands up towards your belt buckle. Just up vertically, row it up towards where your belt buckle would be in that plane. Okay, so we're gonna exhale. Keep the weight as close to you as you can. Exhale it back down. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.